haggle. To haggle is to negotiate for a better price, to negotiate for a better deal. Let me show you a clipping here.
How much? How much?
750. But you take, I'll give you 550.
Can you do 100 for these? My friend bought these for 150.
Tell me good price, how much you want?
I understand. 150?
How much you want to pay for this?
150?
300.
Sorry, I can't do it.
Okay, listen.
150 is lowest I can go, highest I can go. Sorry.
Okay, take
150? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So, hopefully you are understanding what it means to haggle. So, to haggle is bargain karna. Now, generally you haggle over items of small value. You can haggle over the price of vegetables, fruits, maybe some clothes at a flea market. So, what was the usage here? They were haggling about the price of the glasses. Another usage. He won't haggle. The asking price is absolutely fine. So, to haggle is to bargain.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.